When there's talk about lowering your feed dogs, on the Singer Confidence machine, you have a feed dog cover. So what you have is an opening right here and two little pins or notches. There's little holes in the throat plate. Here's a way to remember which way to put it on. You want kind of the skinny part to point towards the back of the machine. That means that when you place it underneath the foot and to cover up the feed dogs, and you get those little holes lined up, that it doesn't come over the front of the bobbin area. You shouldn't be able to not be able to get in here. So that's a clue of whether you have it put on correctly. So where do we use this? Anytime we need to cover up the feed dogs. The only thing is sometimes when I cover it up, the thickness here interferes with what I'm doing. Sewing on a button is one place that we sometimes lower the feed dogs, but sometimes there's not enough room for my button and the feed dog cover to go in here. Free motion quilting, same thing. You can cover up the feed dogs or just set the stitch length to 0, and then they're not actually pulling through, they're more just going up and down, but that usually doesn't interfere with those actual techniques. But when you need to do it for like darning or something, you can put the cover in place and not worry about the feed dogs pulling against your fabric.